Welcome to another episode of the Divorce Lawyers podcast, brought to you by DivorceLawyers.ca, where we navigate the complex world of family and divorce law in Ontario. I'm Deepa Taylor. Today, we're diving into an important topic: financial planning for your divorce. Divorce can be one of the most challenging periods in a person's life, and managing your finances during this time is essential to ensure you come out on the other side in a stable and secure position. In this episode, we'll explore the key financial considerations you need to be aware of, the potential pitfalls to avoid, and the strategies you can use to protect your financial well-being. Whether you're in the early stages of a separation, in the midst of divorce proceedings, or simply planning ahead, this episode is for you. Divorce brings significant financial changes, and understanding these changes is the first step toward effective financial planning. Let's take a closer look at some of the common financial challenges that arise during divorce. One of the biggest challenges is the division of assets and debts. In Ontario, the law typically aims for an equal division, but what does that really mean? We'll discuss how everything from your home to your retirement savings might be divided, and we'll also consider the impact of prenuptial agreements, if those apply in your situation. Another key area is income. When you're no longer sharing expenses with your spouse, your household income is likely to decrease. This means you'll need to reevaluate your budget, understand your new financial reality, and make plans accordingly. Support payments, both for children and for spouses, can also be a significant part of your financial picture. We'll explore how these payments are determined, and we'll look at how they affect your financial planning, especially when it comes to ensuring you can meet these obligations while maintaining your own financial security. Now that we've looked at the financial impact of divorce, let's talk about building a solid financial plan. Your plan should address both your short-term needs during the divorce process and your long-term financial goals. The first step is often creating a realistic budget. You'll need to map out what your expected income and expenses will be during the divorce process. Legal fees can be a big part of those expenses, so we'll also discuss how to manage them. Options like obtaining a line of credit or exploring litigation loans could be worth considering depending on your situation. Next, you'll need a comprehensive understanding of your assets and liabilities. This is crucial, not just for the division process, but for understanding your overall financial position. We'll talk about getting accurate valuations of your assets, including the family home, investments, and any business interests. Don't overlook the importance of protecting your credit during this time. It's essential to take steps to ensure your credit score stays intact, such as closing joint accounts and establishing individual credit. We'll go over how you can do that effectively. Finally, it's important to plan for the future. Divorce is not just about making it through the process, it's about setting yourself up for success afterward. We'll discuss setting new financial goals, such as saving for retirement on a single income, investing, and rebuilding your financial foundation. Legal considerations play a significant role in financial planning during divorce. Understanding your rights and obligations under Ontario law is key to making informed decisions. A well-drafted separation agreement is essential for clarifying your financial rights and responsibilities. We'll explain what should be included in these agreements, particularly concerning property division, support payments, and other financial obligations. You don't have to go through this process alone. Engaging financial experts, such as certified divorce financial analysts, can provide you with invaluable advice. We'll discuss when it might be worthwhile to engage one and what kind of guidance they can offer to help you through the complexities of financial planning. There are also several financial tools and resources available to assist you in managing your finances during divorce. From budgeting apps to retirement calculators, we'll highlight some of the most useful options that can help you stay on top of your financial situation. To make this more tangible, let's look at some real-life examples. While we'll change names and details to protect privacy, these stories will give you a clearer picture of how financial planning plays out in actual divorce scenarios. In one case, we'll explore the challenges faced in a high-net-worth divorce. Dividing complex assets like multiple properties and significant investments can be a challenge. We'll show how a financial plan helped one individual maintain their lifestyle after the divorce. In another example, we'll look at how one person protected their credit during a particularly contentious divorce and successfully rebuilt their financial life afterward. We'll also explore the experience of a parent who had to adjust to life on a reduced income after agreeing to substantial child and spousal support payments, and how they managed their budget and financial obligations. Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with some practical tips that you can start using right away, no matter where you are in the divorce process. First, stay organized. Keeping detailed records of all your financial transactions during your separation and divorce will help you during negotiations and ensure that nothing is overlooked. Second, don't hesitate to consult with professionals. A lawyer, financial advisor, or tax professional can provide you with invaluable insights and help you make informed decisions during this challenging time. For personalized guidance, please consult one of our family lawyers by visiting DivorceLawyers.ca. And finally, remember to take care of yourself. Divorce can be emotionally exhausting, and it's easy to let your finances slip through the cracks. But staying proactive and informed will help reduce your stress and ensure a better financial future. Thank you for joining me today on the Divorce Lawyers podcast. Financial planning for your divorce is not just about getting through the process. It's about setting yourself up for success afterward. If you found today's episode helpful, please share it with someone who might benefit from this information. For more details on divorce law in Ontario or to schedule a consultation, visit DivorceLawyers.ca. And don't forget to subscribe to our podcast so you never miss an episode. Until next time, take care and remember, you're not alone on this journey.